Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Ally Invest app for online brokerage. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, unlock your smartphone and navigate to the App Store. If you are using an iPhone, go to the Apple App Store. If you are on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Ally Invest and press enter. Look for the official Ally Invest app in the search results. Verify that the app is from Ally Financial Incorporated. To avoid any duplicates. Once you find the app, tap on it to open its details page. Here, you will see an install button if you are using Android. If you are on iPhone, tap the Get button. After tapping the button, the app will begin downloading. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Once it's finished, you will see the Ally Invest app icon on your device's home screen. Tap on the app icon to open it. If you already have an Ally Invest account, you can log in using your credentials. If you are a new user, follow the prompts to create a new account. Enter the required personal information as instructed. After completing the registration, you may need to verify your identity. Once verified, you can start using the Ally Invest app for online brokerage. Explore the features and services offered within the app. Familiarize yourself with the interface for a smoother trading experience. You are now ready to start investing and managing your portfolio using the Ally Invest app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.